Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Negative sentences. Look at the two kinds of sentences. You will learn how to use not or no in your sentences and make them negative sentences. I am ill. I am not ill. He is busy today. He is not busy today. Harry is late. Harry is not late. We are ill. We are not ill. You are idle. You are not idle. You are late today. You are not late today. Sita was absent yesterday. Sita was not absent yesterday. We were present yesterday. We were not present yesterday. He can speak English. He cannot speak English. We shall have a holiday tomorrow. We shall not have a holiday tomorrow. She will visit us next week. She will not visit us next week. You may have another apple. You may not have another apple. He must see her today. He must not see her today. Ashok ought to help his friend. Ashok ought not to help his friend. All the sentences on your right in column B have a not in them. The sentences on the left in column A do not have a not in them. The sentences on the right in column B are called negative sentences. Now learn another way of turning sentences into negative sentences. I am working hard. I am not working hard. You are singing an English song. You are not singing an English song. He is learning English. He is not learning English. She was cooking the dinner in the kitchen. She was not cooking the dinner in the kitchen. We were playing in the park. We were not playing in the park. They are visiting us this afternoon. They are not visiting us this afternoon. How do we use the word no in a negative sentence? Compare these sentences. He has a pen. He has no pen. I have some work to do. I have no work to do. They have a watch. They have no watch. She had a servant. She had no servant. All the sentences on the right-hand side are negative sentences. How do we change sentences when we use the verbs do, does, and did? Study and compare the sentences. I work hard. I do not work hard. He speaks English. He does not speak English. They bathe every day. They do not bathe every day. He played well. He does not play well. We drank tea. We did not drink tea. There are some new sets of sentences to change into negative sentences. In these sentences, you are telling people to do something. Sit down. Do not sit down. Shut the door. Do not shut the door. Give her some water to drink. Do not give her any water to drink. Open the door. Do not open the door.
Match the two sets of sentence. Positive sentence, negative sentence. They have a home. They have no home. She has food to cook. She has no food to cook. We have some money. We have no money. The room has a window. The room has no window. They have a servant. They have no servant. There is some milk in the pan. There is no some milk. No. There is no milk in the pan. The house has a light. The house has no light. The cow has a calf. The cow has no calf. Turn the sentence given here into negative sentence by adding not with the verb as shown dash. Ranjita is cooking dinner. Ranjita dash dinner is not cooking. Sumit ought to help the needy. Sumit ought to dash the needy. Not to help. Children are playing in the park. Dash are not playing. TV is out of order. TV dash out of order. Is not. I exercise every day. I dash every day. Do not exercise. We eat fish with rice. We dash fish with rice. Do not eat. He is learning French. He dash French. Is not learning. They go to school every day. They dash to school every day. Do not go. Sita is present. Sita dash present. Is not. Ashok sings melodiously. Ashok dash melodiously. Does not sing. Turn the given statements into questions by changing the place of verbs. It is very cold today. Is it very cold today? They must help us. Must they help us? He has 2 pants. Has he 2 pants? Geeta is kidding. Is Geeta kidding? They are watching a movie. Are they watching a movie? There is a party tomorrow. Is there a party tomorrow? Sarita has much work to do. Has Sarita much work to do? We must brush our teeth every day. Must we brush our teeth every day? The farmer is harvesting the crops. Is the farmer harvesting the crops? It is raining hard. Is it raining hard? Match the 2 sets of sentence. Column A, column B. The girls are playing hockey. Or the girls playing hockey. They play golf every day. Do they play golf every day? He did well in the exams. Did you do well in the exams? Our school won the trophy. Did our school win the trophy? The thief has been caught. Has the thief been caught? They play the guitar very well. Do they play the guitar very well? Aeroplanes fly fast. Do aeroplanes fly fast? He was watering the plants. Was he watering the plants? The statements and questions have become mixed up. Click Q for questions and S for statements to separate them. Statement question. Can you do this sum? Question. She obeys her parents. Statement. The market was closed yesterday. Statement. Did he attend school yesterday? Did you break the glass? Question. Did you write this letter? Question. He carries a stick. Statement. You can do this sum. Statement. Does she obey her parents? Question. Was the market closed yesterday? Question. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.